Hello friends, welcome. We live in an age where food, which used to make us hoarse to obtain, can be delivered to your doorstep in under 30 minutes. Never in the history of mankind this much free time in our hands until now. Yes, it's sad to say, but the majority of us waste it. We turn on TV or our gaming console. We meditate ourselves with drugs and pornography just to burn time. What is complete waste? What should you really do with all of this free time? Well, if you are even the slightest bit serious about becoming a winner in your life of game, here are the four most important things you need to start spending your time. Number one is exercise. Now, this first task is crucial with so much free time in our hands. We need to have the energy to be active during this time. A few centuries ago, we used to move around and lift things. Almost all of our jobs required us to work out our bodies, whether it would be tending to the farms or creating tools in the workshop. But now most of us work behind computer screens and registers. It's actually been proven by studies that people who work out have more energy throughout the day. If you don't have energy, you are gonna spend majority of your free time on effortless things like Netflix and gaming. Number 2 is reading. You have probably heard this advice 100 times over, but hear me out. The stuff that you are learning in school is outdated. The large majority of information you are learning over there will not be used once you graduate. This means that the large majority people don't know what in the world they are doing. Real life knowledge is like managing finances, social skills, diet, and fitness are basically not existed among the population. Famous expert once said you can become expert in any field by reading 3 books on the subject. By simply reading just 3 books, you will have to know more about any subject than 99% of people out there. Look, if you wanna succeed at the game of life. Number 3 is meditation. Meditation is one of those things that have been proven 100 times over to be extremely beneficial. Yet nobody does it. But why? Well, it's probably because on the surface, it's one of the most boring tasks out there. But there is a lot more to it. When you meditate, you are actually training your brain. You learn how to control their thoughts and which thoughts to ignore. This one skill is crucial to becoming a happier person. You will have also a lot more mental energy throughout the day. It's so important actually that if you have to ask me which one habit could change your life, I would instantly respond with meditation. Number 4 is hobby or passion. Everyone has a passion that triggers the inner child in them. It is something that brings out a sort of excitement in you. Instead of dwelling time spent on it, you can get lost in exploration. The reason I listed this as a last task is because the other 3 supplements your ability to work on your hobby or your passion. Because reading gives you the knowledge to grow in your hobby, meditation gives you the headspace for creativity, and exercise ultimately gives your body the energy to focus on this hobby even after a long days of work. And if you work on your hobby long enough and on your craft can eventually be a source of your income. Well, this was a plus point. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel so you never miss any update.